The Microsoft Store is your gateway to a world of applications, but what happens when it just won't load? Let's get it back in action. Our first step is to clear the Microsoft Store's cache. Press your Windows key and type WSReset X. Into the search bar, a black command prompt window will appear. Don't worry. This is normal. It will automatically close once the cache has been cleared, which may take a minute or two. If the cache clearing didn't solve it, we'll move on to repairing or resetting the Microsoft Store app itself. Go to your Windows settings, then click on Apps, and select Apps and Features in the search bar. Type Microsoft Store, click on it, then choose Advanced Options. You'll find two powerful options here, Repair and Reset. Start by clicking Repair. This will attempt to fix any issues with the store without deleting your personal data. If that doesn't work, you can try the Reset option. Keep in mind that resetting will remove the app's data, but your login information will usually be kept. Still facing problems? Windows has a dedicated troubleshooter for the Microsoft Store. Go back to Settings, then navigate to System, and click on Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters, find Microsoft Store Apps, and click Run. This will scan for and try to fix common problems automatically. And sometimes, the simplest solutions are the most effective. Make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or intermittent connection can prevent the store from loading correctly. Consider restarting your router or modem if you suspect this might be the cause. With these steps, your Microsoft Store should be back to its usual self, ready for you to download and enjoy all the apps you need.